Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Mural, especially if you're just starting out. Mural is a powerful tool for online collaboration, enabling teams to brainstorm, plan, and create visual workflows all in one place. No matter if you're working on a team project, mapping out ideas, or just looking for a way to enhance productivity, Mural provides all the tools you need to collaborate effectively. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Mural, personalize your account, and give you a quick tour of the dashboard. Finally, I'll also show you how to create mind maps in Mural. So, let's dive in and get started. If you're not already familiar with Mural, let me give you a quick overview of what it is. Mural is a collaborative online whiteboarding platform designed for teams to work together visually. From brainstorming sessions to project planning, Mural provides a flexible and interactive workspace that makes teamwork feel seamless. What sets Mural apart is its ease of use, wide variety of templates, and integration with popular tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Zoom. So if you're a small team or a large organization, Mural makes it easy to organize your ideas and turn them into action. Now, let me show you how you can sign up for a Mural account. To sign up for Mural, go to mural.co. On the home page, you'll notice a button in the top right corner that says sign up free. Click on it to begin. You'll then be redirected to a sign up page where you can enter your work email. Alternatively, you have the option to sign up with your Google account, which is faster and more convenient. For this tutorial, we'll go with the Google option. After choosing Google, follow the prompts to connect your account. Once done, your registration will be complete and you'll be ready to personalize your account. Once your account is created, you'll see a few on-screen prompts to personalize your account. Take a moment to go through these steps and set up your account just the way you like it. Once you've finished setting up your account, you'll arrive at your dashboard. This is where everything comes together. Now let's take a look at the Mural dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical menu with several tabs designed to help you navigate and manage your workspaces efficiently. Let's go through each tab so you can get a better idea. The first option on the left menu is the New Mural button. This allows you to create a brand new mural from scratch. Below this, you'll see the Home tab, which is your default tab. As soon as you log in, you will land here. From here, you can quickly access your recently opened murals, making it easy to pick up where you left off. Below that, you'll also find template recommendations to inspire your next project. These templates cover everything from mind mapping to process flowcharts, giving you a variety of options to get started. Next is the Recent tab. This section provides a chronological list of all the murals you've worked on recently, ensuring you can find and revisit your latest projects without any hassle. The Starred tab is where you can save murals you use frequently. Think of it as your personal favorites section, making it easier to quickly access important murals without having to search through your entire workspace. Under the Workspace section, you'll see your team's name. This is where you can manage everything related to your specific workspace. You can switch between teams if you're part of multiple workspaces, or focus solely on your current team's projects. The Murals tab lists all the murals created within your workspace. It's a great way to view everything in one place, keeping all your projects organized and easy to find. The Templates tab gives you access to a variety of ready-made templates. Whether you're creating a quick mind map, collecting feedback, or designing a detailed flowchart, this section makes it simple to get started. The Rooms tab allows you to organize your murals into different rooms or categories. This is especially useful when you're handling multiple projects at once or working with different teams. Finally, at the bottom of the menu, you'll find the Upgrade Workspace option. This is where you can explore additional features and expand your workspace capabilities if needed. This user-friendly interface gives you everything you need to collaborate smoothly and create with ease. Let's discuss how you create a new mural in Mural. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. If you're new to this platform, the term New Mural might sound a bit confusing, but let me simplify it for you. A mural in Mural is essentially a virtual canvas where you and your team can brainstorm, plan, and visually organize ideas. It's like a shared whiteboard, but packed with powerful tools to make collaboration seamless. To create a new mural, click on the New Mural button at the top of the left-hand menu. A pop-up window will appear, letting you know that the mural will be visible to all members of your workspace. Just click Create Open Mural to continue. Next, you'll need to name your mural and choose a location for it. Once you've entered the necessary details, click on the Create Mural button to move forward. Once you're directed to the Mural Builder, you'll see a pop-up window that helps you pick a template to get started. There are plenty of template categories to explore, and if you have something specific in mind, you can use the search bar. For this tutorial, we'll search for Mind Map to demonstrate. Once you search for Mind Map, you'll see 3 different templates appear. Let's select the second option, which is Mind Map Brainstorm. When you click on it, a preview will open. To proceed, click on the Use the Template button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. As soon as you click the button, the template will load in the editor. Now, let me guide you through how to customize this template to suit your needs. Once your template is loaded into the Mural builder, you'll see a variety of tools and options to customize it to your needs. On the left side, there's a vertical menu with features like templates, sticky notes, text, shapes and connectors, icons, images, mind maps, tables and areas, drawing tools, content library, and import options. You can easily add text boxes for labeling or adding notes, use shapes and connectors to organize your ideas visually, and add icons to make your mural more engaging. Sticky notes are great for jotting down quick ideas or creating lists, while the images tool lets you upload visuals or search directly within Mural. The mind maps and tables features help structure information, and drawing tools let you sketch freely. The content library provides access to saved resources, and the import option allows you to bring in external files for a seamless experience. The top toolbar is divided into 3 main sections, each providing essential tools and settings to enhance your workflow. In the first section, you'll find the redo/undo buttons to quickly correct or repeat action, an action menu to track recent changes, and options to download your mural or use the find tool to locate elements on your canvas. There's also the move option to shift your view, along with features to lock objects and open the lock menu, which helps keep elements fixed while working. The second section includes interactive tools like zoom to selection, which allows you to focus on specific elements, and the align and filter by features to arrange and filter content with precision. You'll also see options for collaboration like timer, voting, and a private mode, along with a laser pointer to guide team discussions and a custom toolbar to add frequently used tools. The final section includes additional collaboration tools like outline, which gives you an overview of your mural's structure, and comments to leave feedback or interact with teammates. The users option lets you see who's currently in the mural, and the share button makes it easy to invite others to join and collaborate in real time. In the bottom right corner, you'll find additional controls to enhance your experience. The zoom slider allows for more precise zoom adjustments, and the fit to screen option instantly adjusts the view to fit the entire mural on your screen. When you're done customizing the template, click the share button to collaborate with your team. You can send invites via email or share a direct link so your team can access it easily. Mural is a collaborative online whiteboarding platform designed for teams to work together visually. From brainstorming sessions to project planning, Mural provides a flexible and interactive workspace that makes teamwork feel seamless. What sets Mural apart is its ease of use, wide variety of templates, and integration with popular tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Zoom. So if you're a small team or a large organization, Mural makes it easy to organize your ideas and turn them into action. For this tutorial. Today we went over how to sign up for Mural, explored its dashboard, and walked through creating and customizing your first mural. I hope this guide made everything clear and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with Mural, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear. Until next time, take care.